Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own vampire blood bath fizz or bath bomb. So let's get started. For the bath bombs you will need 1 cup of citric acid, 1 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of olive oil or an oil of your choosing, strawberry fragrance essential oils, and enough red food coloring. The first ingredient I'm adding is the citric acid, 1 cup like so. This will help make the bath fizzes really fizzy. Oh my god, there's like so much. Well, apparently you're using the whole thing. Shake it up a little. Now you're putting all the ingredients into your big bowl. Dump like so. The second ingredient, I believe, is baking soda. So this one is 1 cup. 1 cup, large cup. I should have opened everything before I started, but I'm new to making these, but this is a fun little DIY project. I'm just going to pour it like so. This one actually might have excess, so that's why I have this plate here. Make sure you get all. I don't have a sifter, so like that. Take a clean butter knife, like so, and go across the top and make sure you get all the excess to make it even. And then you dump your ingredients into the bowl here. Moving on to cornstarch. This one's only a 1/2 cup, so we're going to move that one to the side. Take our 1/2 cup, like so. Open up the package. And pour it into our measuring cup. Like so. As mentioned, take your butter knife, go across the top until it's completely, mostly even, and a smooth surface like so, and you just pour it into the bowl. It's time for olive oil, and you're taking a glass measuring cup. Little side note, dry ingredients are with measuring cups. Liquid ingredients, you have to use a glass measuring cup. Now we're doing 1/2 cup. Move all this out of my way here. Put that on there like so. Open this baby up. Pouring 1/2 cup, which looks like a lot. We're almost there. I believe we're at the mark. Yes. Now you pour in the oil. olive oil. I'm taking some essential oil. This one is strawberry. I'm going to take a few drops of this. It smells so great. You want to do like approximately 20 or so drops. So take your red food coloring and pour it in like so. You want to make it as bright as possible, and I have to warn you now, your hands will get dirty. So if you want to wear gloves, you can, but I don't have gloves, and yeah. You want to make it a nice blood red. You want people to see that blood. I pretty much use like almost half the color. And we're going to dive on in with our hands and blend it. So far it's well blended. Now it's time to take your mold. I found this one at Walmart, and you're just going to press your ingredients into the mold like so. And the same for the other side as well. Take the two halves that you have and smush them together like so. And then smush and get the excess off. Like, you gotta impact these. You have to be like really tough. Like, Hercules kind of strong. So by the power of Hercules, which is Casual Baron, we managed to make he managed to make this great orb shape, and apparently it grows, and right now I'm trying to tap the around it to make it loose. Not sure what that's going to do, but okay. And then you want to take, this is like make or break. It's like, oh god, I don't know what, how am I even going to get this part out though? I'm like, Mayday, Mayday. Oh, I got something. Well, that's the first one. I hope a lot of them come out better. One, let's see here. Maybe a little bit less circumferencing. Maybe not so much packed with stuff. See, this one's a little bit better than the other one. Okay, I think that looks good. Now we're going to press them together like so. See, that one looks a lot better than the first one. The first one always comes out like garbage. Second one, maybe a little bit less garbage. Tap it. Oh, it feels heavy too. Might be a little off, I don't know. Okay. Now we're going to loosen this up here. Oh, look at that. Voila, it looks like ice cream. Aw, yeah. That's what we want right there. Okay, the top, this one is getting loose too. Look at how pretty, guys. Look at how pretty. Oh my god, then we sit them down over here to dry for at least 24 hours. So, I'm going to finish the rest of the bath bombs. Anyway, I'm going to be back in 24 hours and show you the final results. Welcome back, and it has been 24 hours, and as you can see, the bath bombs have really expanded and sort of kind of gotten really flat at the bottom, but I tested one out and they're fantastic and wonderful, and they smell fantastic. I'm going to show you some Instagram footage that I took. This is the final packaged product. Vampire Fang wrapping tissue paper, a little handmade coffin tag, and a securely placed black ribbon. If you're interested in purchasing any of these bath bombs, they're available on my Mercari shop. It'll be linked down below, and if you sign up with the promo code that's there, you can get 10% or $10 off your purchase. I'm not sure which one. I want to thank all of you so much for all of the support. Thank you so much for watching my Vampire Blood Bath Fizz Bath Bomb video. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. And as always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.